Namaskar, welcome to Authentic Creations. We are again with a new video with our new collections. Yes, here is a good news that we are going to start self-stocking from now on. So the thing is that you don't need to wait for a prolonged time from now on after making the payment. So the product is ready, stocks are ready. You just need to make a video call and you need to select the product, make the payment, and products are ready to dispatch. Right, so without wasting any time, I'm going to start showing the collections. Let's see the collections now. These are some cotton prints and ajraks. You can see the new design. The designs, you can see the collections. The color combinations are very good. These are the same collections, designs are same, prints are different, and the thing you need to notice that the finishing, the stitching quality. Can you see the stitching quality from here? There is absolutely no stitching visible from outside, from back also. The finishing quality is excellent. And the color combination is absolutely marvelous. The color combination is very good. Our time is very short and we are moving on to the next. This is not ajrak, this is kalamkari. This one is kalamkari. The same color combination, but the prints are different from the first one I was showing you. Look, just like this two. This one and this one. Color combinations are same, but the print of the body is different. Different body print. So these are new ikat collections. Prints are old, but designs are new. It's a very simple design. Moving on to the next. And it's a very vibrant color with contrast combination, patti work on the neck and sleeve, and there is a specialization on this work. Can you see this? It's a new design. Moving on to the next. Black one. You can see all the stitching work. No stitching is visible from outside. I hope you can see this. Back side also you can see. It's a very premium finishing, and I hope you can see the sleeve design. This is the design of sleeve. Okay, so this is the complete design. Same thing, V-neck, invisible stitch. It's a very small design over here. Here's the cut. I won't take much time. There's a lot to show. You see the latkans? It's a frill work inside the latkan. It's a new design. Double frill on sleeve. Can you see the entire design? This is the front side. Please take the entire front side. This is the front side, and this is the back side. There is a cut on the back side, on the bottom, and balls on the closure. It's back closed hook system. With contrast piping. Okay, moving on to the next. Same design, just shown you before, but the black one. Sleeve designs. Look, designs on the neck. This print is different. This is also the same design I've shown you before. Very simple design, but very elegant. Print is very good. So the prints will be different. Whenever you are ordering us, prints will be different. The available print. That design. And the next design is for the college girls, for youngsters. Complete invisible stitch. Very classy look, sleeveless designs. Very classy look. Another print I have. Black ikat, and this one is very much elegant, and we have so much order for this print. And moving on to the next design, there is no changes in the designs, only the colors are changed. These are original raw silk. Hope you can see this. I want to show you the original texture of the raw silk. This is the original texture of the raw silk. Hope you can see this. I'm zooming this. And all the designs are invisible stitching. So when you wear this product, or when your customer wears this product, so stitching or the piping is very old fashioned for now. So the stitching will not be visible, and that will be very nice. These are raw silk designs. 5 different colors, but the designs are same. To show you designs, there is piping work. Sleeveless with piping work. This back is very deep and it is bow design on the back. It's a very nice design. It's a double tone fabric. Mild printing color. It's a peach color. Back side bow design, all are padded. Silver color, very nice and elegant. Bow design on the back. This is purple color. Bow design on the back. So hope you guys liked all the new collections, and we will come again with many more new collections, and all prices are in catalog. So if you want to know the prices, WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is given below in the description, and our catalog link is already given below in the description box. So go to the description, find our catalog link, our WhatsApp number, and our Facebook page link, right? So thanks for watching the entire video, and subscribe our channel, like this video if you have liked this, and follow us on our Facebook page. Thank you so much.